What is up, everybody? It's Lawrence again, and today we have a special treat. The main reason being this is the first 4D sneaker in my entire collection. It's also the first one I've ever put on. I've tried for almost all of them and have struck out. At any rate, here it is, the ZX4000 4D. This is going to be a very quick unboxing because I will be doing a full review after my business trip to Phoenix, Arizona. Once I come back, I will be uploading a video on what I think about the 4D technology in general, as well as the ZX4000 4D at large. But as you can see, it comes in this box and it says 4D. It's all matte black except for this glossy area that says 4D. And then on the bottom, you see Adidas branding right there that is also done in that glossy black. And it's got a little cool carve out over here from a boxing perspective. Just to let you guys know, I know sizing is pretty important for everybody. I tried my true to size, which in Adidas is a true to size 7. And I had to go a half size down from there. The size 7 was extremely long, and the 6.5 is extremely tight from a top to bottom perspective. So it is what it is, but I decided to go with a smaller length just because I felt like it would allow me to have a better bend in the shoe. Once you pull these out, nice little slide out box. Completely detaches. And inside the box you have extremely normal packaging. I'm a little kind of disappointed in the packaging itself. I mean, for a $350 sneaker at retail, it should be a little more than this, but you have your traditional Adidas tissue paper over here, and this flips out over here like this. So it's a little kind of fancier than your typical box, but I mean, like, it's still could have done a lot more for $350. I mean, this is one of the most premium shoes Adidas has ever released in terms of pricing. And here it is, the Adidas ZX4D. Like I said, I'm not going to do a full review of the shoe right now, but I do have some first impressions. Extremely cool looking shoe. There's a lot of different overlays and materials. Most of this, I believe, is a mesh material. I'm not sure if it's Primeknit or not. It doesn't look like it's Primeknit. I haven't done the research I normally do for a review, but there's obviously lots of different colors and stitching all throughout. I do like some of the suede paneling and the paneling in general. There's also this kind of like weird little symbol over here. I don't know what that means. If you guys want to tell me, leave that in the comments below. And if you have any questions along the way after you watch this video, definitely let me know. But this is the ZX4000 4D. Just really honestly, like I said, I did put it on, and I do want to tell you that the comfort is a little lacking right out of the box. I don't know what these are going to feel like. I'm going to have a good 4 days that I'm going to spend, 3 days that I'm going to spend with the shoe, so I'll definitely let you guys know what that looks like moving forward. But that's it for now. Until next time, this is a ZX4000 4D. Peace.